镜头来看美国加州科华河川农种大窟窟地属三文鱼的产量大减少，去年就下令禁止商业猎鱼。为着要抢救三文鱼的生态，加州的州长就答应要拆除水坝，维持河川的水量，让三文鱼有法度收转去水头来生活。
渔民伫旧金山海峡钓到真大尾的三文鱼，这款的场景恐惊会愈来愈少。加州最近这几年可旱，地属井水的三文鱼数量是大大减少。为着保护三文鱼的生态，让因重新转去山区的溪流洗卵。加州毋但伫旧年取消了海洋三文鱼的活动，州长纽森伫拜二嘛挂保证，会伫任内完成几个项拆除或者是洗过水坝的计划，希望让三文鱼有好的生态环境。
And it's all around making sure that we bring back that original habitat, we bring back sort of the natural ecosystems, and again, we partner with the tribes that understand this better than anybody else.
纽森顶一日去红堡郡的草原溪视察，在地原住民嘛对恢复当地生态有真大愿望。
The Prairie Creek Salmon Restoration Project is an amazing project here in the town of Orick, in what was formerly known as the Old Orick Mill Site. And the idea and the vision was to restore this once beautiful habitat back to being salmon producing again.
加州伫瓦奥勒冈州的边界，上届受到关注的，就是克拉马斯河四座水坝拆除的工程，目前已经把第一座拆掉。不过，除了拆水坝以外，还佫需要充足的水源才会使。安怎说服农民减少灌溉的用水，是纽森另外一个抢救三文鱼生态都要解决的难题。有环保组织批评讲，就算加州已经展开大量栖地恢复的计划，不过就目前的观察，三文鱼的产量并无明显增加。公视新闻张惠敏编译。